Good morning, everyone. Today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in India. We all felt really proud to be an Indian. Isn't it, Sudhir sir?
Yes, Bhavna ma'am. Today we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day of our country. Long back in 1947, we got our independence. We all know that now we are living in this independent India only because of the struggle of our freedom fighters. It is important that we should remember each one of them today. So we are celebrating Independence Day as our national festival. Independence Day is observed throughout India with flag hosting ceremony, parades and lots of cultural events. Is it, Bhavna ma'am?
Yes, of course. 15 August is not only about freedom, it reminds us about the pain of being enslaved, the strength of unity, and also it defines the sacrifice. So today, on this day, we should take an oath that we will be always with our motherland till our last breath. Once more, wishing a very happy Independence Day to everyone present here. Thank you.
Now we would like to greet our distinguished principal sir, parents, teachers, students and all the spectators. How charming is this day where we celebrate our Independence Day to let everyone know its beauty.
One more year passed, leaving a handful of memories to all of us. As we are joined here to celebrate this event of yet another successful year and recall all the freedom fighters and all the well-wishers of our country along with our leaders.
Now heartily welcome to our East Point Montessori School family on this beautiful morning to celebrate 75th Independence Day.
It is our culture to remember God Almighty before everything we do start. So let us begin this function seeking the blessing in the presence of God Almighty. I would like to invite all the faculty members to lead the welcome song and let us all stand for the same.
ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
ए वतन मेरे वतन,
ए वतन मेरे वतन,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से।
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू।
ए वतन मेरे वतन,
ए वतन मेरे वतन,
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं,
तुझ पे कोई गम के आज आने नहीं दूं।
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे साद रहे तू,
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू।
ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन।
पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी। जिंदगी सम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी। जिंदगी सम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी।
Thank you all the teachers for a beautiful song performance. Now I would like to invite Mr. Sanjeev Sharma, our principal, sir, and all the teaching and non-teaching staff for flag hosting ceremony. I request all of us to stand for the same.
तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
We would like to play a state anthem, O More Apuna Day.
Now I request our respected principal sir to give some valuable words to encourage our student in this 75th Independence Day.
Hello everyone, respected parents of East Point Montessori High School, respected teachers of East Point Montessori High School, respected non-teaching staff of East Point Montessori High School, and my dear students. A very happy Independence Day. First of all, I want to express my gratitude to Almighty who kept us safe during this pandemic. I personally feel very lucky to celebrate 75th Independence Day. My dear children, before 1947, we were under the rule of British. In the year 1947, we got independence, and we all know what freedom means to us. Let me give an example out here, comparing with the present scenario. Just like during pandemic, we were locked inside the room, inside our house. We were not allowed to go out to purchase our daily uses, foods, etc. It was very difficult. Still, we are facing the lockdown times. So, just relate the situation before 1947, how the freedom have been deprived of from us, right? So, I want to thank those freedom fighters who fought, who gave their life and gave us freedom. I want to thank all those freedom fighters who fought against the British and gave us a freedom. My dear children, every child are special to us, and every child in future grows up and build a great nation. I am very proud to take care of you all in building a great nation. In the same manner, the freedom fighter have fought lots of battles against the British to give us freedom. I will not say much because we all know that today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day, and hope in the same manner we will be celebrating 76th Independence Day next year. I want to thank all the parents who are taking care as a mother, as a father, and as a teacher during this pandemic. The physical classes are closed, the online classes are on, and my dear parents are the only teachers now to take care of the children, and we are trying our level best to provide a quality education. At last, I want to say few quote on Independence Day to motivate our children. हम लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के, हम लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना बच्चों संभाल के, इस देश को रखना बच्चों संभाल के। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. To fulfill our minds with love for the nation, here comes one of our students, Yamini Kataki of nursery, for National Anthem.
Thank you for your sweet performance, Yamini Kataki. Now, let us put our hand together to invite an inborn dance by Dipanjali Crow of UKG.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तो। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, आबाद रहे तो, आबाद रहे तो।
Thank you so much, Dipanjali, for your mesmerizing performance. Now, let us welcome our sweet little champ of LKG named Sia Chakrabarti for her dance performance.
वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्।
सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम, सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्।
Thank you, Sia Chakrabarti, for your beautiful dance performance. Now, how about a cinematic dance, Bhavna ma'am?
Yes, of course. So, here we present one of our students of class 1, Manisha Upadhyay, with her mesmerizing performance.
मलया खैको परली मागा जलाउन मन पर्छ किनी देउन साइला दाइ। मलाई दुई चुल्ठी बाटेर फुल लाउन मन पर्छ टिपी देउन साइला दाइ। मलया खैको परली मागा जलाउन मन पर्छ किनी देउन साइला दाइ। मलाई दुई चुल्ठी बाटेर फुल लाउन मन पर्छ टिपी देउन साइला दाइ।
Thank you, Manisha Upadhyay, for your beautiful Nepali dance. Now, our next performance is a speech by our one of the talented student, Pratik Chhetri of class 5.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in India. We all feel really proud to be an Indian. Today, we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day of our country. Long back, 1947, we got our independence. We know that we now living in the independent India only because of the struggle of the freedom fighters. It is important that we should remember each one of them today. We are celebrating Independence Day as our national festival. Independence Day is observed throughout India with flag hosting ceremonies, parades and lot of cultural events. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi at the Rajpath where the national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag. Lot of cultural events, flower shedding and also the Indian Defence Service conduct parade on this day. 5th August is not only about freedom. It reminds us about the pain of being enslaved, the strength of unity, and it also defines the sacrifice. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of our country to sincerely perform our duty and progress.
Thank you so much, Pratik, for your valuable words. Music heals, music entertains, music takes us to heaven. So here present our nightingale Pallavi Chakrabarti of class 7 on the stage with a beautiful melodious song.
Thank you, Pallavi Chakrabarti, for your beautiful Kesari song. Now, here comes our little Muskin Dichang Chamang with rhymes of LKG.
Baba bacche everyone old yatcha tree bag full. One for my master, one for his dad, and one for the little boy who lives on the land. Two little leaky birds set up on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Thank you, Jai.
Thank you so much, Dichang, for your sweet rhymes. Now, to make us think with his creative work, here comes Himankar Sharma of class 8 with his performance.
ऐ मेरी जमी अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी जमी महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतना में मेरे वतना में तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था।
Thank you Himanka Sharma for your creative performance. Now we all have a special affinity towards our cultural tradition of Assam. So here we present one of our most talented student, Mayuri Das of class 10 for her dance.
प्रणमो ब्रह्मपुत्र नमामि ब्रह्मपुत्र, कभी शांत बहे कभी रुद्र, पल पल एक नया चित्र। ओ जिंदगी के सखा यूं ही बहना, तू है सृष्टि ब्रह्मा तेरे पिता। नमामि ब्रह्मपुत्र।
तेरी लहरों में पिता की बाहें मिले,
तेरी बूंदों से फसलों के मोती खिले,
सदियों से तेरे किनारे
जीवन का है खजाना,
तू बहला यूं ही बहला,
यह धरती सजल कर बहना।
तू देश के कंधे का है नीला दुशाला।
नमामि ब्रह्मपुत्र नमामि ब्रह्मपुत्र।
Very good, Mayuri, for your sweet dance. Now, let us put our hands together for a dance performance of Koyal Biswas of class 5.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
Koyal Biswas for a beautiful dance performance. Now, I would like to call one of our faculty member, Sapna ma'am, to throw her valuable words.
Thank you, Sujit sir, for allowing me to deliver a short speech on this special occasion. Good morning, everyone. Today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. We need to ask to the born before 1947 to know the pangs of anguish of being enslaved under a colonial rule. For every Indian in those days, it was indeed a Herculean task to fight against those powerful giants, the British. Those difficult times and struggle must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. Thank you. I am ending my speech here. Happy Independence Day to everyone.
Thank you so much, Sapna ma'am, for your valuable words. Now, I would like to present a beautiful dance performance of Angel Giri of class 1.
नाकैमा फूली मेरो आँखैमा गाजल शिरैमा शिरबन्दी कानैमा मेरो झुम्का नाकैमा फूली मेरो आँखैमा गाजल मै नाच्छु छमछमे छम 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 बजाइदेऊ न मादल शिरैमा शिरबन्दी
for your beautiful dance. Now, I would like to call one of our excellent teacher of East Point Montessori School, Prem sir, for his valuable words.
Thank you, Bhavna ma'am, for inviting me here to give a short speech on this special occasion. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to wish every Indian a very happy Independence Day. And secondly, I would like to thank our principal sir and my colleague for providing me an opportunity to deliver a short speech. As we all know that our country has been ruled by the foreigners more than 2 centuries. After a long struggle by our freedom fighter, finally on 15th August 1947, we got our Independence Day. Many freedom fighters like Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, they were died for the sake of our motherland. Mahatma Gandhi played very important role in the freedom movement. We are fortunate that Mahatma Gandhi became a guiding light of our freedom movement. As much saying, as a political leader, he was phenomena that could have happened only in India. Troubled by social strife, economic problem and climatic change, the world seek relief in Gandhi's teaching. His quest for equality and justice is the mantra for the independence. I am glad that to say that we, the young generation, are on the verge to rediscover Gandhiji's. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Prem sir, for your most valuable words. Now, to show our deep devotion and attachment to our homeland, here comes a group of dance with a patriotic song by class 8 student Niharika and Sagarika.
your dance performance. Now, have you seen Sudhit sir anyone dancing from the teachers?
Teachers? Yes, in some moment I have seen Pooja ma'am dancing, okay? In the staff when we were eating something, then somewhere I have seen her dancing in some classical steps. Some hum katha sunaye, prem ratan, like this she is dancing. I don't know how she is good in dance, but somewhere and somehow I have seen her. Then why let's try teachers?
Yes, of course. Now, then ladies and gentlemen, get ready to hold your breath. Here comes a dance performance by Pooja ma'am.
रागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग
सौरागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग है। ये प्यार का संगीत है।
ये शादी का गीत है, ये एकता का राग है, भारत अनोखा राग है।
Yes, now everyone enjoyed the dance. Thank you Pooja ma'am with a wonderful dance. Now, our next performance is a dance by one of our most beautiful students of class 8, Prachi Chetri.
ओ रांझना वे तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था। ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Thank you Prachi Chetri for a beautiful patriotic dance. Now, being a citizen of Assam, why do not present our tradition? So here comes our student Shruti Das of class 4 with a beautiful Bihu dance.
মনি চুরিয়া তুমি আমার জুরিয়া বহতে পাতি যাও দিয়া ময়না বহতে পাতি যাও বিয়া এই বেরি ওই বিহুতি মনি চুরিয়া রমকে ওই জমকে মনি চুরিয়া না হল ফুলফুলি বতর ময়না মনি চুরিয়া তুমি আমার জুরিয়া ভাগতে পাতি যাও দিয়া ময়না ও ভাগতে পাতি যাও দিয়া না হতুলর।
Thank you so much, Shruti, for your beautiful dance. Our kids are very smart today, sir, isn't it?
Yes, Bhavna ma'am.
So here we present a dance performance by class 1 student named Papia Chakrabarti.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujala Sufala Malayaj Sheetala Sasya Shyamala Mataram Vande Mataram Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini Sukhadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
Thank you, Papia Chakrabarti, for your beautiful dance. Now on stage, I request Amrita of class 10 to show off your dance.
Thank you so much, Amrita, for your beautiful dance. Now, with this performance, here we are end of the event. So, our Independence Day celebration have come to an end now. I thank you all on behalf of this institution for spending your valuable time here to encourage your minds. Let us now all stand for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।